This is the rover. This rover can be controlled by this app. Let's control the rover. Now I am pressing the forward button. The wheel rotates. When I keep the hand in front of the sensor detects the object and the wheel stops. Now I am going to press the backward button. See, the wheel is moving backward. Now I am pressing the button in the left side. See, it is moving left side. Now I am pressing the button in right side. See, it is moving in the right side. When the IR sensor detects an object in the path, the wheels stop rotating. This is my IoT rover using Wi-Fi module ESP8266.